Fuck.
Don't even talk.
How MLG are we talking, Brandon?
Like, 100% MLG. Like, I got scouted by FaZe Clan for these strats.
Oh.
No ECMs?
Do I know how you use EMs on that one?
No, you have twin body bags.
Oops. I didn't know I still had those on. My
Look
bad.
at this tryhard over here using a car 4.
Oh, the car 4, the para.
He's essentially using 2 car 4s.
Technically. Also, I actually like the para more. I feel like it's strong. I feel like it's stronger and better accuracy. You hear that? Me giving my opinion online. Worst thing you can do.
Don't upload this as a video now.
Nope.
Well,
Yay, key code. Yay, not here. God damn it. Fuck. What is that?
alright, so now I'm supposed to... there was a guard on the roof and I want to make shooty.
Oh, I got him. Oh fuck, there's a window. Oh my fuck! Oh my god!
That might have almost been a video.
It already was, actually. In my opinion, it was.
Yo, Nick, let me show you how this shit's done.
Okay. Oh shit. Oh. Congrats, Brandon! That's how it's done! That is how it's done!
I got the pager though. No. Oh, he fell the wrong way. Damn it!
He fell further though! Which way was he supposed to fall?
Kind of the way he was facing. Kind of.
Oh my god.
Mr. Infamy 9 here thinking he's hot shit.